Good moyed, a happy Sukkot. This is video number 1 of 3 that I want to show you beautiful lessons that the 4 types of plants, the 4 species of plants, the Daled Minim that we use for the mitzvah of Lulav teaches us. So, for this video, did you notice that each of these 4 types of plants looks like a part in the body that we have, that Hashem gave to us? We have the Lulav, which is a branch from a tree of dates. And it looks like, look, it stands up straight. It looks like a spine, a shidra, which is what each person has in their back. There are bones that go in a line all along our back that allow us to stand up straight or sit up straight. So we don't have to sit like this. And that looks like a lulav, the shape of a lulav. The hadas, which is called a myrtle, that looks like the shape of a person's eye. You see how each leaf looks like a person's eye. The aravis, the willow, if you look at the shape that each leaf has, that looks like a person's lips. The aravis, they look like the lips that we have. And the esrog, that has the shape of a heart. The heart that each person has inside. So what is the lesson that these 4 plants look like 4 body parts that we have? Well, these 4 body parts are 4 very important body parts that every person needs to have and that make up the entire body. There are 4 important parts, and it teaches us that we should use them, and really we should use every part that we have in our body in order to serve Hashem, to connect with Hashem, to do what He wants, for us and Him to become one. So for example, with the lulav, which is like the shidra, that means when we daven, or when we learn, or when we do anything that we're connecting with Hashem, we shouldn't just do it just to do it. We should do it with our every bone in our body should feel like it's a part of it, should be excited about it and stand up straight and do it completely being a part of it. The hadassim that look like eyes means we should serve Hashem and connect with Hashem by using our eyes correctly, by looking at the things that we should be looking at, and by seeing things the way that we should try to see them. Try to see the good, try to see the positive, try to see things in a way that helps. The aravis looks like lips. Try to use our lips when we talk. Talk things that make us connect to Hashem. Davening, learning, saying things that are good, things that are holy, and things that help. And the esrog is the heart. Heart is where we have our emotions. So we should try to connect with Hashem by having the emotions that He wants us to try to have. For example, now is the holiday, the Yom Tov, the Chol HaMoed of Sukkot. It's a mitzvah to be happy, v'samachta b'chagecha. So we should try to get ourselves to have the emotion of being happy, of being joyful. Other times, there's always a mitzvah to love Hashem, so we should try to get that into our heart. There's a mitzvah to love the people around us, so we should try to get that into our heart. And the same thing with every part of our body, every part of us, to try to connect to Hashem with it. And that's one lesson that is beautiful 4 species of the mitzvah of Lulav can teach us. A happy Sukkot.